So this is how I do my lion's mane when it's fresh. So these are fresh lion's mane, fresh pink oyster, and I have rainwater that I'm putting on them right now, cleaning them with the rainwater. Then I'm going to drain that. I'm going to drain the rainwater and then let them sit in the sunlight. What this does is give them a huge shot of vitamin D. So I'm just draining the water now. So you just do this for a short period of time, maximum 4 hours. I usually just go an hour. So now these are fresh with the rainwater, and I'll completely drain them a little better, but I can't do it with one hand. I'll do it when I turn the video off. And then I'm going to leave these in the sunlight. Beautiful there. For maybe an hour or two. We'll just see how they look. So this is preserving them and giving them a huge shot of vitamin D. I love doing it this way. The mushroom's so much more powerful. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I prepare the lion's mane. Now I washed it with rainwater and set it in the sunlight to collect the UV rays to build up the vitamin D in it and to also preserve it. So it's all done that now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dehydrate it. So I don't like cutting it with a knife. I feel like it disturbs it. So what I do is I just rip it. Like little pieces like that. I just do that, and then I'm going to set them all in the bowl here and maybe put them in the sunlight for about 10 minutes after they're all, ready to go into the dehydrator, just to collect more of the vitamin D, because they'll be ripped so the vitamin D can get into all of the mushroom, not just the outside of it. So that's how I prepare my lion's mane. I just feel like it's easier on it and it doesn't disturb it as much. I used to cut it, but I just felt like it wasn't right. So now I just do this. I just pull it away. It's natural, just the way that it pulls off naturally. You'll know by looking at the lion's mane when you just start pulling. It comes off so nicely. So that's how I do it. I'm going to put it in my dehydrator on 113. No higher than 115, and when it becomes crunchy, it will turn a little bit like a light brown, not dark brown, like beige. This is pretty white right now, as you can see. It's nice and white. Isn't it beautiful? Lion's mane for the brain. Ooh, so good. So I forget what I was saying. Oh yeah, on 113 until they are crunchy. So this would be all dehydrated, and then you would snap it and you'll know, okay, it's great. These are also wonderful just to have like little pieces after they're dried, and dip them in some dip, some yummy dip. They're just like chips then when they're thin like that. So great. So that's how I do my lion's mane.